Assalamu alaikum. My name is Aida Osman and I am from class PCA. Today I will be presenting my vlog on comparison and contrast of Jupiter and Saturn. Let's start with the introduction. Introduction of Jupiter. Jupiter is the largest planet in the solar system. Jupiter is called a gas planet because it is covered in red, yellow, white and brown clouds. One of the Jupiter's most famous features is its great red spot. It is a red spinning spot resembling a hurricane. The temperature of Jupiter is minus 145 degrees Celsius and Jupiter is so huge that all planets can fit in it. Like if you see this picture, you will notice that if Jupiter is replaced with moon, how will it look like, how gigantic it is. Jupiter is the fifth planet from the Sun with a distance of 5.2 astronomical units, and the Saturn is sixth planet from the Sun with a distance of 9.5 astronomical units. Let's move on to the introduction of Saturn. Saturn is the second largest planet in the solar system. Saturn is the only planet of the solar system that is less dense than water, about 30%. Temperature of Saturn is normally minus 185 degrees Celsius, and this planet's most famous feature is its prominent ring system. Let's move on to the differences of Jupiter and Saturn. Jupiter has 79 moons and Saturn has 53 moons. Jupiter has less density and Saturn has more density. In Jupiter, the metallic liquid hydrogen region is the main reason for its giant magnetic field, and in Saturn, the region is much below the surface. The field strength for Saturn is around 10 times weaker than of Jupiter. Another prominent difference between these two are distance of 779 million kilometers from the sun, and Saturn has the distance of 1.4 billion kilometers from the sun. A day of Jupiter is about 9 hours and 56 minutes, and the day of Saturn is about 10 hours and 39 minutes. So now let's talk about the similarities. Jupiter and Saturn both orbit around the sun. They both have gas giants, and they both have dynamic atmospheres made of hydrogen and helium. That's it. Thank you.